Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share a light but satisfying salad recipe. To a mixing bowl, add in sweet corn. Diced cucumbers, carrots, celery, de-seeded diced tomatoes, banana peppers. Banana peppers are my favorite and I love them a lot. Freshly chopped cilantro. You can use parsley if you would like. Homemade roasted garlic powder. If you want to know how to make our roasted garlic powder, make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up. Season with a salt and pepper. Just a dash of Italian seasoning. Mix well. Add in a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. You may substitute olive oil with any oil. Lemon juice. Mix well. Add in cottage cheese and mix well. It's super colorful and looks so flavorful. Doesn't this look delicious? It kind of looks like confetti on a birthday cake. It's so colorful and flavorful. This salad is super rich in protein. Transfer to a serving dish. Refrigerate and enjoy this salad with any of your favorite sandwiches or burgers. Don't forget to check out our entrees playlist for a variety of sandwiches and burgers. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!